Hello friends, welcome to GJ Studies. In this video, I prepared some teaching learning aid for primary school children. Let's see the materials. Let's see the materials one by one. This is A words vocabulary. I use paste CD to make this.
Axe, apple, arrow, angry, actor, astronaut, avocado, alligator, action, and
This is word formation.
word formation using suffix. Kind plus ly, kindly, use plus full, useful, pain plus full, painful, use plus less, useless, fear plus less, fearless, color plus full, colorful, head plus full, helpful, smooth plus ly, smoothly, wise plus ly, wise.
This will be useful to make students to learn sentence. Like this we can write many sentences. You can create more sentence like this.
This is a book. This is a bag. This is a ball. This is a ball. That's a book. That is a bag. That is a ball. That is a. This is your food. This is your gift. This is your hat. This is your jar.
You can prepare like this also. It is
She was reading. He is jumping. They were dancing. You are writing. Ram is running. We are eating. I am playing. He is.
This is also waste CD only. I used for addition.
5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 9 14. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 6 11. 5 A B C D E small a small b small c small d small e small.
Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.
Hi.